how to log in Free Fire with Facebook on your iPhone. That you have to watch this video till the end and dive into the process. So first of all, you have to navigate to your Apple Store to download the Free Fire on your device. And you have to just go for the source icon and search for the Free Fire. Once you have searched for the Free Fire, if you see the Free Fire here, you have to just go for the Get option and your Free Fire you have to tap on the Open option. And here you can see that the Free Fire is opening on my device. You have to wait the 100% until completed. After downloading the all resources from your Free Fire, here you can see the sign in with your Facebook account. You have to just tap on that and go for the continue option. And after that, here you will find your Facebook login to your account. And here you have to just go for the continue as your account here, and then you will have your Facebook connected with your Free Fire. So this way you can have the Facebook connected with your Free Fire account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.